friends, in this video I'm going to show how to delete Facebook account easily. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell button for get notification when I upload a video in my channel. Please share this video link for your friends and family. Let's start the video. This is the Facebook account, what I going to delete. Log in your Facebook account first. Go to settings in your Facebook. There are so many options, click here. Look here, click this deactivation and deletion tab. You can deactivation your Facebook account for few days by click deactivation account. If you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, click here. Click continue to delete. If you want to download your account information, click download info. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you've shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Enter your Facebook password here, then click continue. You're about to permanently delete your account. If you're ready to delete it, click delete account. Once you've submitted your account for deletion, you'll have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you've added. Click delete account. The account dealt successfully. If you log in to Facebook within the next 30 days, you'll have the option to cancel the deletion and retrieve any of the content or information you've added to your account. Let me check, is my Facebook account was dealt? Here see. If you want to cancel the deletion of your account or retrieve any of the content or information you've added, click cancel deletion. Otherwise, Facebook will start deleting your account in 30 days. After November 22, 2020, you won't be able to access the account or any of the content you've added. Let me click confirm deletion. The account deleted successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If any doubts, please comment. Join in Facebook group for more tricks and tips. Thank you.